Yeah. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hey.
I'm working on Julio Guzman for
Mr. Guzman.
Yes.
So you're charged with criminal mischief. You're facing up to 6 months of jail and or a $2,000 fine. What are we doing? Mr. Williams. Okay. 3 days with 8 days credit. Is this what you want to do, Mr. Guzman?
I do indeed.
What do you say?
I do indeed.
I didn't hear what you said.
You do indeed.
You do the deed?
Say yes, sir, or no, sir.
I do indeed.
I got to know that you understand what's going on, Mr. Guzman.
Yes.
And I'm saying, you were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf.
I did it, sir. I did it.
Be quiet, wait till he's done.
It's okay. It's all right. You can. You were giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization under federal law. You give up the right to appeal once you accept this agreement. You can never come back and change this. Is this what you want to do, Mr. Guzman?
I live with my decisions. That's responsibility.
How do you plead to the offense, sir? Guilty or not guilty? I will find you
Guilty for that. That I am guilty of.
Well, I feel for you, Mr. Guzman. Unfortunately, that you won't be able to get released just yet, but at least you're done with this one here. I will
Yes.
find you guilty. I will follow the agreement. I'll roll your court costs. You won't owe anything. And good luck to you, sir.
May all the guilty carry their guilt, even in secret. May all the guilty carry their guilt.
Buckle up, guys. Today we are going to witness a roller coaster of courtroom drama where every word matters. It all starts with Mr. Guzman, charged with criminal mischief, facing up to 6 months in jail. The judge carefully explains his rights, warning of immigration consequences and the permanent nature of his decision. Guzman, however, accepts full responsibility, pleading guilty without hesitation, claiming he lives with his choices, even if they carry a heavy cost.
Oh, yeah.
He had an ag assault. What?
Yeah, I guess I'll retire. This guy.
Wait, is this, this one, it's not an arraignment sitting there, right? Just talk to Delia. This is a.
Threatened someone with a shovel. A shovel. No, I thought your lawyer was ready.
I'm here, Judge.
Okay, are you here?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
The course doesn't even start till May 13th.
No, Judge, that's what she did yesterday to change it all. I sent another email to Mr. Pavel about what her current class schedules are and what they will have to change beginning May 13th. So she technically can't go to school until May 13th because of the change.
Did you get a second email?
Let me check. I don't think I did. I forwarded you what I had. Let me just double check though.
It's her current class schedule.
This is not a current class schedule.
Judge, I did. I forwarded it to you. This first. 100% I did it on 10:37 a.m.
Yeah, I see it. But what I'm telling you that's not a current class schedule. That's a class schedule that starts in mid next month.
As the session transitions, another defendant enters the spotlight. The discussion shifts toward an assault case involving a shovel, but quickly pivots into a broader introduction. The narrator highlights Judge David Fleer from Harris County, Texas, known online as one of the toughest and most captivating judges. What follows promises not just a single clip, but a two-part saga where excuses, deception, and consequences collide inside his courtroom.
Oh, it does have a start date, yeah.
That doesn't start for another month.
Where's the one? We spoke with the counselor and she's been doing orientation and they did tell me that she had a current class schedule that would end at 10:30, but by May 13th, they'd have to change it. I'm not sure why she didn't send that to me as
This
well.
is a schedule that was created that doesn't begin for another month, and the classes start at 5:30 p.m. and go until 10:30. So this is not something that's current.
Yes, Judge. And like I said, we spoke with the counselor and this is what she sent me. And when we told her what the issues were. So she changed it all beginning from May 13th. I can ask her for another. Why didn't she send me the current? Yes, Judge, this is what she sent me. But we did speak and this is what the counselor herself said. But they will be changing her schedule from May 13th so that she doesn't have to stay in school till 10:30.
You're not gonna get another slip from me after today. Do you understand? You were late last time. This is the only other, I will never give you another chance. If you're late again, I'm going to put you in custody. You will not get any more PR bonds. Do you understand? I don't care what your excuse is. You're able to work around this thing. Do it. Don't wait until after the last second because I'm not going to put up with it. This is the only warning you will get, Ms. Mathis. Just take a seat for me and then we'll get you another reset. I will not give you another pass. Do you understand, ma'am? Take a seat for me.
Yeah. Thank you, Judge. Judge, you said she was late to court today?
I'm sorry?
I'm sorry, did you say she was late to court today?
Yes.
Oh, wow. Okay. I thought she was there by 9. Okay, my apologies, Judge. Okay.
Hey,
And
can we get a date for Ms. Mathis, please? Oh, that's right. We just continue with the testing. Right.
No, but she does have a PBR. You talking about that?
That's what I was just talking about, that I'm going to continue it, but this is the last one. So any more late tardies, any issues whatsoever, she'll go in. Thanks. So, all right, so we'll set you off for the same thing that we're doing,
yes, Judge.
okay?
Now we return to a defendant who has already tested the judge's patience. She was late before, and now she presents an email showing a school schedule. But Judge Fleer notices the glaring problem. It doesn't even start until mid-May. The judge cuts through the excuse instantly, warning her this is her last chance. One more late appearance, and she will be taken into custody. No more extensions, no more passes. This is her final warning.
Thank you so much,
Thanks,
Judge.
Shizzy. Take care.
Yes, sir. You too, Judge. Thank you.
Hey,
Yes, Judge. On Miss Mathis.
did Mathis check in?
She checked in, yo. Let me see if she.
Yes, Judge.
Please. Come up, Miss Mathis.
So this is your bounce position, so this is your next court date, you're free to go. All right, go ahead and sign the
On phrase, on phrase.
So you know your lawyer is here on Zoom. Are you going to be here today or are you still on Zoom, Ms. Chisholm?
We can be on Zoom. Do I need to come in? I'm about 10, 15 minutes away. Do I need to come in?
I don't think so, but just regardless, let's talk about why you're here. You were sent to take a drug test. You test positive for opiates.
Yes, Judge. I had emailed, I believe I CC'd you and Mr. Petrov on those emails for her prescription. She's been on oxycodone for a minute now.
And those emails should have said, included you as well. So you can see the prescriptions as well.
Where does she get it from? Who prescribes this medication for her?
Her doctor, Judge?
Which one?
Which doctor? That I'm not sure of, Judge. She'd be
Hold on
able
a
to
second.
answer that.
Let me see if I can print this out.
Yes, Judge.
I'm gonna
She's
forward
got
this.
a Andrew Jones and a Christina Itata. Those are her providers, Judge. Her office is 8301 Katy Freeway. And there are numbers on there for verification as well.
Take a seat for me in the jury box, man. Do you mind printing that out for me, please? I'm gonna go call these people real quick, Chisholm.
Yes, Judge. Sounds good. Yes, Judge. I'm here.
You ready? Come up, Miss Mathis.
Yes. Interesting.
These are no good. I call 4 different providers. None of them have a valid prescription for Oxy for you.
From Dr. Salvatore as well, Judge?
Correct.
The tension builds as another defendant, Miss Mattis, faces scrutiny. Ordered to take a drug test, she tested positive for opiates. Her attorney claims she has a prescription for oxycodone and even forwards emails to prove it. But the judge isn't satisfied with paperwork. He wants hard proof. He demands the names of the doctors, locations, and numbers. Then, right in the courtroom, he calls the providers himself to confirm whether the prescriptions are real.
I called their office and they said she came to pick it up yesterday.
She may have come to pick something up, but they never prescribe. They pick, I don't know, maybe she's mistaken, but when I called, they had never given her a prescription for oxycodone. So I called these 3 places and a 4th, none have given you a prescription for oxycodone. So unless you have a better place that you got it from, tell me.
Well, Your Honor, and that was a question that I have for them as well. However, the monitoring system is statewide. It's owned by the state. It's not something that she can get on her own. So the fact that they had it, at least someone with a MD, I believe, prescribed it.
What?
I was saying that since it's the prescription monitoring system that provides these prescriptions, it's actually someone prescribes them. So I'm not sure if Dr. Salvatore herself prescribed it, but they were able to print it out and give her the fact that she had been prescribed these medications.
I called all the providers and no one had prescribed her oxycodone.
I'm trying to understand how it must have gotten to the state system in that regard. I'm not sure how that may have happened. She didn't print it out herself. She got it from an actual doctor's office.
I guess let's do this. I'm gonna put her in back. If you want to call back in the holdover so you guys can talk to figure something out, perhaps she can give you more information. But as it stands now, I don't know where she got it. Not only that, I will not allow you to pill mill Oxy to kill yourself. I'm now going to put your name on the Texas Prescribing Monitoring Program so that you can't pill mill oxycodone. I'm not going to let you kill yourself, mate. If you want to kill yourself elsewhere, great. But it's not going to happen with me. And you will now be monitored so you cannot just go from one doctor to the other to start getting oxy everywhere. You understand? Because you're going to kill yourself with this. Or more importantly, take it, get in a car and kill someone else. I'm going to do everything in my power to protect the public by any means necessary. She'll go with you for now, and then I'll have Chisholm call you back there and we can figure out where we're going from here.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge. Okay, Judge, for the meantime, can I be excused to give her a call?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Judge, thank you.
Thanks.
Judge. So in that court, they get free to go. All right, go ahead and sign the
On phrase, on phrase,
So you know your lawyer is here on Zoom. Are you going to be here today or are you still on Zoom, Ms. Chisholm?
We can be on Zoom. Do I need to come in? I'm about 10, 15 minutes away. Do I need to come in?
I don't think so, but just regardless, let's talk about why you're here. You were sent to take a drug test. So you test positive for opiates.
Yes, Judge. I had emailed, I believe I CC'd you and Mr. Petrov on those emails for her prescription. She's been on oxycodone for a minute now.
And those emails should have said, included you as well. So you can see the prescriptions as well.
Where does she get it from? Who prescribes this medication for her?
Her doctor, Judge?
Yeah. Which one?
Which doctor? That I'm not sure of, Judge. She'd be
Hold on
able
a
to
second.
answer that.
Let me see if I can print this out.
Yes, Judge.
I'm gonna
She's
fold
got
this.
a Andrew Jones and a Christina Itata. Those are her providers, Judge. Her office is 8301 Katy Freeway. And there are numbers on there for verification as well.
Take a seat for me in the jury box, man. Do you mind printing that out for me, please? I'm gonna go call these people real quick, Chisholm.
Yes, Judge. Sounds good.
I'm gonna, uh-oh. Hey.
Oh.
Sovereign citizen. Yeah, let me just,
The trial?
it's a trial case? What? So here's the thing, Pavel.
Yes, Judge.
So I've got Chisholm on the phone now, and what she's saying is that she had a prescription from January of 23, and Miss Mathis is trying to say that she had the pills since that time and takes it as needed. And I'm saying,
Yeah, I mean, I don't.
if someone has a prescription for Oxy, they don't hold it for a year and 3 months. They take it because it's Oxy, you know? People who take Oxy don't have the control to hold that many for that long.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see what you would hold Oxy for. Well, I mean, I've had it for surgery, that's all I can think of.
And the Oxy is just too strong, it's too potent, and it's way too addictive for someone to just hold it. I don't believe that for a second.
And to be honest, Judge, I it's a fair belief. I do think that if she is in some sort of pain, I think that since she has a current prescription, you can order her not to take Oxy. Of course, not to take any.
I already have ordered her not to take it.
No, any unprescribed. Any illegal drugs. I don't believe your order included the prescribed drugs. However, in this case, you've already put her on the TMP list. I called Mr. Gregg from that list, and they said yes. They mentioned your name to me, and they said that you've put her on that list. So even if she does go to another doctor, then they would be wary of putting her on another prescription because of your concern. So if she's in pain, they're probably going to give her, worst case scenario, a high dosage of ibuprofen. That way, if she pops up for opiates again, maybe next Thursday, because opiates are apparently, according to Health Light, it only stays in your system, in urine for only 3 to 4 days. So she should be clear of opiates by next week, Thursday. That way, if she does show up for opiates, then at that point in time, she can be locked up because you ordered her not to take it. She doesn't have a new prescription, which is fair.
What do you think, Pavel?
What's the request?
Test her on, let her out, test her on Thursday, and order her not to take Oxy at all. That's assuming that she even held the 100 pills until now.
Absolutely.
From January 23. I don't believe that for a second.
And it's partially because, like you said, that she can't, even if she did hold it, I don't think law allows you to have a prescription for over 90 days. If I'm not mistaken, if it's a 90-day-old prescription, then you should not be taking those drugs because, of course, those drugs expire.
That's true. That part's true, but I don't think there's like a regulation on that. But the is this her first fail? Not her first failed exam?
How many times has she failed, Ms. Mathis?
We just started her. Because she has
She's, how many?
two prior BBRs, if that's what you're talking about.
This is her third bond violation, right? But what were the other bond violations for?
She didn't get an interlock
I think it's my
violation, and
second.
she had a curfew violation.
When she first one, she didn't get the interlock. The second one, she had a curfew violation, and now she's got this one.
So
You might bring in Ms. Mathis out.
we have addressed those bond violations. I guess I don't know how potent this test is, but on the DWI, the allegation is hydros. So hydros, oxys, they have the same effects. It seems
They
like
don't have the same effect. No. Oxy is so much more powerful. It's
No,
just
they're
crazy.
they're just as addictive, is what I mean. Like, how you can
Worst
get
case
the
scenario,
hydros?
her
It's
doctor
no.
can prescribe her a hydrocodone.
Hydro is addictive. Oxy, it's 15,000 times it's, I'm telling you, it's, once you start, it's,
We could, I think we could approach that and give her another chance, but I just, with regards to the drugs, we've given her chances on the other
I
violations.
don't think you can stop. And I'm ready to put you in a rehab program right now because I think that you are pulling the wool over my eyes. You are forum shopping for pills. I have now put you on the list. And you have 2 times gotten a prescription. I talked to the compliance officer with one of the doctors. He told me you have a prescription for 120 oxy from 12/6/22, and then you had another prescription from January 23 for another 100 pills of oxy. I do not believe that you kept 100 pills for the oxy to be able to take it now to where you had a positive result. I think that you're getting it off the street. And I'm saying, and I want to put you in a rehab program now. I'm going to have you every Monday and Thursday come here and test. And the next time you test positive, I'm going to hold you in contempt, slap you with 180 days in jail, probate it for 2 years, and put you in a rehab program. Do you understand? You are not to take any drugs, any hydrocodone, any opiates. I don't care if you have a prescription. I'm ordering you not to take it, even with a valid prescription. If you have pain, then you must find another way, either ibuprofen, Aleve, Tylenol, Excedrin, another way, but no more controlled substances, whether prescribed or not. And the next time you have been advised what's going to happen, you will sign an affidavit with me right now, promising me that you're not going to take any prescribed or controlled medications. Do you understand? You are now on your third bond violation as it stands now. The next one, I'm going to light you up. Do you understand this, Mathis? I'm up to here. No driving. No taking any controlled substances, whether prescribed or not. No alcohol. No more bond violations. You've now been apprised. I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt because you had the prior script from 2023. In my heart, I know that you don't have those pills. And this is the only other time you will ever get another benefit of the doubt from me. You need to do whatever you can to address the demons in your life, because if you don't, I'm going to do it for you the next time. You must also start doing 3 NAs per week, and I want proof that you're in attendance doing the NA program. Do you understand? If you don't have proof the next time you come here that you've done NA classes, Narcotics Anonymous, you're going to stay with me. Can you please swear to this? Okay. Please, Miss Mathis. All right, Miss Chisholm, that's it. This is the last ditch effort, huh?
Absolutely.
I won't entertain anything else. That's it. Okay?
Yes, Judge, understood. Yes,
All right, all right.
Finally, the judge delivers his ultimatum. Miss Mattis is ordered into Rehab and Narcotics Anonymous meetings, with proof of attendance required. She is forbidden from taking any controlled substances, prescribed or not. This is her third bond violation, and the judge makes it crystal clear. The next time she slips, she will face 180 days in jail, no exceptions. This was her last chance. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.